How to change default messaging app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Go to Default Apps at the top. On this page, you can manage your default apps for iPhone, including choosing the apps you prefer to use for opening links on the web, sending emails, making contactless payments, and more. Here, go to Messaging as shown. You can view or change your default messaging app from here. As you can see, your current default messaging app is Messages. If you want to change it, then select WhatsApp. From now on, WhatsApp will be used to compose new messages. Following these steps, you can easily change default messaging app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.